Oh, we're just walking to go up the hill to the spike.
The needle.
Oh, the needle. There's a moray eel. It's dead. It's a moray eel. They're all sunburnt.
Yep, all sunburnt.
Oh, stinks. Backs are fucked. Oh, fuck, it stinks. Smell it, eh?
Yeah.
Your favourite niece is sunburnt to fuck. Show me your guts.
Oh, it's not even. It's a little bit pink. That's alright. We're just trying to get all our sun in one day, Dave. We're off. Brett wants to do this hike. Hike up the needle, past the waterfall. So we're off to do that. What's the time? Like 8 o'clock in the morning, I think. First of all, we've got to walk about 2.5, 3 k's just to get to the start of the walk. And then the walk's about another 3 k's up and then 3 k's back. And then we might catch the bus home because we'll probably be tired. Yeah, beautiful. Hot already. 8 AM, she's bloody scorcher. Went out for tea last night.
Oh, we should have videoed that for you, Dave.
Brett was ready to come home after tea.
$31 for
Fish meal.
Sea Lord.
Crusted fish meal is what they called it.
This is deep fried Sea Lord fillet out of a box. Frozen box.
Crusted fish fillet, chips and salad.
Terrible. It was terrible, I tell you.
$30.
Didn't even eat it, and I eat everything. I didn't even eat it. It was
yeah,
bad,
it was too perfect to be fresh, eh? It was like a little rectangle block, deep fried.
That had been deep fried for, it was black, it was near black.
You know those Sea Lord lemon pepper boxes from Countdown? Even those are better. Bloody, what are they about? $8 or something
Breakfast,
for a box of 6?
breakfast yesterday, we didn't even bother having breakfast today because that was some deep fried.
Choking on it now.
Yeah, that was deep fried. That was deep fried bloody bacon, deep fried Hellas sausages.
Pre-cooked Hellas sausages that'll blow it out everywhere.
Deep fried hash browns that were fucking
Not hash browns.
Oh, they'd like deep fried them for too long.
They had no potato left, it was just deep fried batter.
Shit, it was terrible, Dave.
It wasn't really doing that. Yeah, so we should have known after breakfast not to go for tea, but mine was fine. I had the raw fish in these little wonton cups. Nice texture, you know, but a fresh raw fish and crispy little wontons. Had a bit of garlic bread on the side. We reckon they probably...
eggs. I had poached eggs actually, Dave. My poached eggs were alright.
They deep fry those?
I reckon they deep fried her scrambled eggs. That almost seemed a bit deep fried, didn't it?
So anyway, we won't be back there for tea. Brett was ready to pack his bag and fucking get home. He was over it.
Like,
he said, I can't believe you come to Raro. You know, fresh fish out there.
oh, but a bunch of blokes stole a kayak last night.
Oh yeah.
Hey, with those lights, and they went out fishing. They come back with fresh fish.
Yeah.
They probably don't give it to us scabby hooers from New Zealand.
Tourists.
Us tourists from New Zealand.
Yeah, shit, I reckon. Yeah,
oh
Brett's
fuck, how are we
fish
going to get across this water here?
was a bit, it was a bit overcooked in the deep fry too. It was pretty hard. I reckon we do a better job with those bloody Sea Lord lemon peppers at home, eh? Just in the oven. And they deep fry everything.
Kendall just reckons we're spoilt because we know how to cook.
Yeah, we're good cooks at home, you know.
We're going to have to go up here. We've got a bit of a...
We've got a bit of a bloody mishap. Oh, no, oh, those are the sea change villas. Those are the flash ones. We can't afford to stay that resort, Dave.
Oh, you can't cross over down there either.
Cute. Love heart.
Oh, stand in it. I'll get a video of you.
You should lie in it. I don't want it to descend on me.
Oh, there goes that runner, is it? Shit, your favourite niece is stuck. We're stranded here now. Yeah, we can't get past the thing.
I could turn around and go home for a drink.
Yeah, shit, this is bloody just too much for her.
Proving too difficult. I thought we could maybe jump this, but I think it might be a bit far. There's a bit of a...
Sandy bank there.
I think we're just going to get wet shoes, eh?
You probably don't want wet shoes this early in the trip though, do you? Boss.
You take them off.
Oh, I reckon you could jump onto that bit there.
Yeah, that might have worked.
We'll try it here. Video me.
You still recording?
You'll be able to jump very far, wouldn't you? If I could do it, you could do it.
Oh.
You're not too bad. Yeah, favourite niece, go for it. You can see the sand, eh? Oh. Just come off the road, Dave. We're heading down.
Finally, we're on the mission.
There's the water. Water down there, so we'll follow that up to the waterfall. It's the Sheridan.
That's the Sheridan, that was the ghost town, you know, they're revamping it all. Getting it going again. Done a bit of work since last year we were here.
Yeah, all those have been done up now.
Yeah.
They weren't flash.
No,
They
it
look like those
was
shit ones over
abandoned
there.
and graffitied and everything, it was fucked.
Passion fruit. Picked up a passion fruit, cracked it open for old Kendall. Living off the land.
Living off the land, Brett Johnson.
There might be some passion fruit around
We just
here.
stopped at the supermarket for brekkie. Wasn't deep fried this stuff. We had a couple of bananas, a little pot of yogurt and smoothie and a couple of Powerades each. That cost us 30 whacks. Same as that fish meal last night.
I know what I'd rather have.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, that's it there. She's run down.
far out, that's how fucked it is. Oh,
Can you see it?
they never finished it. Wow.
Oh, did they not finish it?
Nah. No, I don't know what happened.
It's like an old rundown.
You should imagine walking through it. Not loud, but
Aren't you?
it'd be cool.
You could sneak in there. Jeez.
Shit, I wonder if that's the needle up there.
I'd say so. Oh.
Oh, we're here. We're just going to be off up this blue track. The red track's closed. That looks like a shortcut. We're going to take a long way around to Te Ruamanga, the needle.
It's funny how it's
See?
on an angle.
See how far we can
That's the
make it.
waterfall right there.
See how far we can
And we're
go.
pretty lucky to have that running like that apparently. Because it's only because I've had heaps of rain. This is the track. Shit, she's buddy.
Wet, bit of climbing.
Yeah, this looks like a good old bush track. This will get Kendall going.
I'm puffed already.
Your niece will fucking wait like this. Look at her. Look at the look of her on her face. She's not happy. This is good, Kendall. Take your time, you'll be right. Be quiet here on the camp today there, Dave. world. It's like straight down. Shit, oh brick.